Hey guys, it's me, Crystal, and if you don't know me, now you do. So I just wanted to make a fun little video about how to play with your cat. Um, what you can use, and this is my favorite. Oh my God, Nala, she's so excited. You can use one of my favorite items, which is made out of horsehair, and you put it together here. You can either use like a piece of twine, or you can tie it together with a plastic piece. They use super glue, or you can even use rubber bands or whatever you have around the house that can keep horsehair together. And then you just dangle it like this. You cut it up. It is about I would say it's about a foot, and then the cats love it. When they're lying in bed, when on the floor, they just love to play along with it. So just watch me now play with Nala. Oh, Nala's so excited. Whoop, Nala, Nala. So a lot of people has been sending me the comments saying, is this the horsehair that you use for your anal play? Yes, it is, because I wash it, and it has dual purposes. So look, and the cat doesn't know it. The cat loves it. Look, Nala is freaking loving it. Nala! No, no. She loves playing with the horsehair. Look at her. Nala. Yes, yes, yes. Good, Nala. So if you would like to purchase this horsehair, I make a lot like this. So please email me at officialcrystalclub@gmail.com and I will send you your own pair. Toodles and poodles.